Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the cucumber. Number 1. Cucumber is a vegetable. Number 2. It belongs to the gourd family. Number 3. Cucumbers are usually eaten fresh. Number 4. They have a mild, refreshing taste. Number 5. They are low in calories. Number 6. Cucumbers have a high water content. Number 7. They are often used in salads and sandwiches. Number 8. They can be eaten raw or pickled. Number 9. Cucumber seeds are edible. Number 10. Cucumbers can be yellow, green or white depending on the variety. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.